Two cloud giants, AWS and DigitalOcean. One big question: which one really delivers? On the left, we have AWS, the enterprise cloud powerhouse. On the right, DigitalOcean, developer first and built for simplicity. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Here, how we're gonna do this: I've mapped out all the big stuff we need to look at. We're talking price, performance, global reach, features and ecosystem, ease of use, AI and machine learning, plus support and community. Got it? That's our battle plan. Alright, first up, price. And honestly, this is where DigitalOcean just flexes. AWS offers these reserved instance deals, cost tools, blah blah blah, but honestly their pricing is confusing, and those surprise bills, they're legendary. With DigitalOcean, what you see is what you get. Flat rates, transparent menus, and no sneaky long-term contracts. Like, wow, it's literally cheaper most of the time for similar stuff. Okay, yeah, maybe you don't get deep discounts for sticking around forever, but the straight-up savings are hard to ignore. Winner here: if you care about your wallet, DigitalOcean, no contest. Performance: so AWS is built for those huge enterprises, right? They pack all this advanced hardware, custom chips for ML, like you can scale to the moon. But performance per dollar if you're on a smaller project, that can kinda flop, not gonna lie. DigitalOcean, though, is just snappy for most use cases. CPU bang for your buck, predictable resources, and you just don't need to sweat if you're not aiming for ultra-high-end options. AWS might win at the biggest scale, but honestly, DigitalOcean's performance feels more relevant to, well, everyone who's not Amazon. Another point for DigitalOcean. Now let's talk global reach. AWS absolutely crushes this. They have more data centers than I have shoes, and yeah, you can basically deploy and back up your stuff all over the planet. But deploying globally, it's kinda a headache. DigitalOcean makes it way easier. Just point, click, boom, you're in another region. Downside though, their actual data center count is, a fraction of AWS. If global scale is your thing, AWS wins, no question. Oh, and here's something quirky you might not know. DigitalOcean only charges for 28 days a month, which, kinda means you pay less on those months with 30 or 31 days. It's not a crazy difference, but hey, every dollar counts, right? Features and ecosystem: AWS offers seriously over 200 cloud services. You want AI, data pipelines, dev tools, they've got it, but wow, it's almost overwhelming, especially if you're just a small team. The learning curve is steep. DigitalOcean, on the other hand, keeps it lean and simple. 26 core services, focus on what developers actually use, lots of managed stuff, compute, storage, databases. It's super easy, but compared to AWS, it's like bringing a Nerf gun to a laser tag match. For sheer feature power, AWS snags the win. Ease of use: and honestly, this is kinda a breath of fresh air. AWS has their light sail thing if you want a simpler setup, and yeah, their docs are epic. But once you step outside those walls, oh boy, the dashboard is a maze and there are menus on menus on menus. DigitalOcean is the opposite. UI's clean, you can spin up a droplet in like a minute, super quick, managed databases, even their Kubernetes stuff is friendly. It's not cut out for crazy enterprise complexity, but for most users, DigitalOcean absolutely nails the usability. No question, it's the winner here. If you're into AI and machine learning, AWS goes all out. SageMaker, custom ML chips, so many GPU options and pipelines, it's wild. But you kinda need a PhD just to navigate some of those features. DigitalOcean offers GPU droplets, and their Gradient AI platform is cool for quick ML hosting. But honestly, it's like a starter kit for AI compared to AWS's arsenal. So for pro-level ML workloads, AWS bags this one. Support and community: AWS definitely gives you enterprise-level support if you wanna pay for it. Their docs, huge, but that premium help can get expensive, ouch. DigitalOcean, though, is the darling of devs and startups. Tons of tutorials, active forums, everyone loves sharing hacks and how-tos. Their enterprise support is more limited, but if you want community vibes, DigitalOcean rocks. It kinda ends up as a tie when you look at both sides. So, if we lay out all our scorecards, it's super clear. DigitalOcean just owns simplicity, price, and ease of use for devs and smaller projects. AWS is the heavyweight champ for going global, high-end AI and mega feature sets. You can literally see the gaps in those categories right here. Here's my honest take: DigitalOcean is perfect for startups, solo builders, and anyone who wants to skip the drama. The UI is friendly, the costs are predictable, and you can get going like right now. AWS. If you need to scale worldwide or do cutting-edge AI, or you just want everything the cloud could possibly offer, that's your tool. End of story. Was this cloud comparison helpful? You know what? Stick around, because if you want more raw tech breakdowns like this, I've got loads coming. Catch you next time.